Hi everyone. So today we are looking at a question like that. As you can see over here, it says that a tank is filled with water from two taps. Okay, so as you can see over here on my left hand side, I have tap A, and on my right hand side, I have tap B. Okay, now tap A alone, if I just use tap A, right, I can fill the tank completely in 10 minutes. Okay, and tap B alone, if I just use tap B, I can fill the tank twice as fast, which means to say twice as fast, that means I will need a shorter time. So twice as fast, and that explains why I will have to do 10 divided by 2 to find out that tap B will just need 5 minutes to fill the tank completely. Okay, now so that is the first answer. Okay, now for B, it says how long does it take for both tanks to fill the tank completely? For both taps to fill the tank completely. Now, so we switch it on. Okay, now, all right, so for tap A itself, okay, it will take 10 minutes to fill the whole tank. All right, so we write down the full tank. For full tank, we will need 10 minutes. Okay, now for tap B, it's way faster. Full tank will be 5 minutes. Okay, full tank will be 5 minutes. Now, so once I'm done with this, what I want to do is this, okay? I want to ask myself, what can tap A fill in 1 minute? So tap A can fill 1/10 of the tank. I say that again. Tap A can fill 1/10 of the tank in 1 minute. Okay? Well, for tap B, it will be 1/5 of the tank. Now, if you were to think about it, it makes sense. Can you see how tap B actually just needed half of the time, according to the question, right? Now, so whenever they do this, right, you have to understand this because I'm going to switch on both tap A and tap B together. I'm going to switch on both tap A and tap B together. So if both are switched on, isn't it true to say that 1 minute I will have both 1/10 plus 1/5 of water by each of the tap? In 1 minute, I will have 1/10 and 1/5 water going into the container. Do you understand? All right. So when I do 1/10 plus 1/5, okay, it means that it will give me 3/10. Okay. So what in 1 minute, right? 3/10 of the tank will be filled. Make sense? Now, my question to you is this, right? Or in fact, the question to you is this: how long does it take for both taps to fill the tank completely? You see the keyword? So we know that 3/10, okay, of the tank, is actually equals to 1 minute, right? So we always find Mr. Greenman first. So 1/10 of the tank will then be, how do I get from 3 to 1? I divide by 3. Does that make sense? All right, I divide by 3. Okay, so what I want to do now is I divide by 3 over here, and then I will also divide by 3 over here. I will get to 1/3 minutes. I'll get to 1/3 minutes. Okay, can you see that? I want the whole tank. If the whole tank, isn't it true that I have to get to 10/10 as the whole? Right, because I want the whole tank. Make sense? 10/10 of the tank would then be, how do I get from 1 to 10? I times 10 over here. True? Now then I also have to times 10 over here. Make sense? And therefore over here I will just get 10/3 minute. But of course you don't want to show them 10/3 minute. You can turn that into a mixed number, which is 1/3 minutes. And that is my answer for question B.